Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. This is a 55-inch digital standee. It can display 4K or even 8K videos. It is managed by a complete cloud dashboard which we will provide you. The content, the media, the slideshow, images, YouTube apps, widgets, all of these can be configured on the cloud, and you don't need to physically press any button on the device to change any of these settings. And also the volume can also be changed via cloud remote. As you can see, the quality of the video, quality of the display. Also it is an ultra slim standee. You can see. I'll show you the back side as well. This is the back part of the standee. You can lock each individual backside maintenance door by this keyhole. You can use any generic lock, and you can lock all these padlocks which are provided in here. It is completely manufactured, made in India. The software, the display is also branded with warranty, extended warranty of up to 3 years. As you can see, the screen can be split into multiple regions. Like for example, on the top region you want a slideshow, below that region you want a video playing, and below that region you want a YouTube stream playing or a live stream playing, or you want a cricket score, or you want an RSS feed. All of that is possible. You can control the sound of these devices remotely via cloud dashboard as well. There are a lot of other features in the cloud dashboard, like you can make teams of manager, creator, editor, etc, etc. So you can have a whole team managing these devices remotely. You don't need to go in front of any of these devices. These can even be powered on or powered off remotely via the cloud dashboard. You can also schedule content, different timings, and you can schedule, say on Saturday, Sunday you want a different content playing, say on Monday, every morning 9 to 9:30 you want a different content playing. You can do that. This can display digital menu boards or hospital signage and many other different applications, retail, industrial. These are very elegant to look. The powder coating is special black color which does not fade with time. Extremely smooth finish, and these has portable wheels which can be locked as well. You can see these portable wheels can be locked so that the standee can stay in a fixed position. So thank you for watching our 55K Android digital standee, cloud control. And if you have any more questions or you want to inquire about this product, availability of this product, we can ship it all over India. You can contact us at the number provided in the description, or you can email us as well. Thank you for watching.